Hey guys, Joe Teti, Dale Comstock. We've got yet another really cool tradecraft idea, and actually Dale came up with it, and I want him to share it with you. It's really cool. This is a form of clandestine communication in the event you are in a hotel, whether in the United States or overseas, how you can actually send a message to your family in the event that something has gone wrong. Dale, check this out.
Yeah, so for example, very simply, if I wanted to, again, use clandestine communications to indicate to my family not to come into the hotel room, or my partner to come into the hotel room, or whomever, but basically grab your things and get out of Dodge, get to the airport, or whatever it is. One way to do that is basically using the do not disturb, hang on, I'm busy sign at the hotel. And all I did here was just basically flipped up the corner here, dog eared it, and this has already been communicated with my partner and my family that if they see this, they are not to go into the room. They are immediately to turn around and beat feet to the airport. Important side note on this is if you're traveling in a foreign country, particularly, always make sure you have your passport on you. Okay, now I know that, for example, I live in Bali, Indonesia, and all we're required to do is carry a photocopy of our passport page, right? But that doesn't help me when I get to the airport. Although I can travel domestically on that, I cannot travel internationally. So I never travel without my passport, and just for that very reason. The passport, my wallet, my credit card, everything I'm going to need to leave country is always on me. Joe?
Guys, these little gold nuggets, I mean, we've got a lot of them, but you need to think unconventionally sometimes. And this really isn't really thinking unconventionally. This is just some tradecraft. And we're going to be getting into more of this stuff, videos down the road. But, when it comes to your family safety, I don't know about Dale and myself, you can never leave a rock unturned. You always have to think about little things like this. The devil's in the details, especially if you're traveling to a country that's actually in a non-permissive or semi-permissive environment. So anyway, guys, more videos coming, and Dale,
don't forget to ring the bell.
Hey, it's Jimbo over here at TRS Survival with another tip for you. This may be one of the most important tips you ever get if you're ever caught in an urban meltdown. Like say there was a complete breakdown of our modern society, like if the power grid went down for a long time or something like that. Our own government estimates that within 6 months of a massive power grid failure, a shocking 90% of urban Americans will die. Are you ready for something like this? Most guys aren't, or they think they are, but they're really not. Mainly because they've been listening to and getting bad advice from the wrong people. Because while some folks will band together and help each other, most people will simply panic and resort to looting, brutality, and even murder to survive. You can imagine how desperate and dangerous things are going to get. Which is why I brought in former Delta operator and Green Beret, Dale Comstock, to give you the real scoop. Dale's been a combat soldier for over 30 years, and he's seen up close and personal what really happens when a modern society like ours suddenly comes to a crashing halt. It's not pretty, and the survival of you and your family will have little to do with bushcraft skills or what kind of tree bark is safe to eat. So Dale will show you 2 vital survival tips. Number 1, he'll show you exactly what gear and supplies you should pack in your bug-out bag or rucksack, and it's probably not what you think. Most people don't have anything like this ready, or they load up their sacks with the wrong kind of equipment and survival gear. These mistakes can cost you your life, but now you'll know precisely what you have to have ready and what you can do without. And number 2, you'll discover how to operate as a military patrol unit in a live combat situation. Okay, these are advanced military combat tactics almost never taught to civilians. It's intensive instruction that will have you and your buddies or your family operating like a well-oiled combat-ready commando unit. Okay, I wish I could show these videos to you right here, right now, but I can't. I can't risk having my channel banned. But you can get them all for free. Just click on the link in the description. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.